Okay, this video is on how to print a PDF whenever Deanna sends us one that's already been sized. Okay, and I'm sure there are multiple ways to do this, but when you do it, let's see if I can find it. When you send something to print, you don't always see exactly the same settings, and there's some specific settings that you need to see. So I think this is here we go. We're going to grab it. It's a PDF. If I try and print from here, download it and print from here, it doesn't work. So I'm going to download it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to open and print. I don't get the settings that I need to see here. So I'm going to close out of this and I'm going to show you what you need to do. Come here and go to Adobe and open it up inside Adobe. We're going to open up the golf banner. Here we go. And it's coming in as 42 by 84, which is what she needs it. So we're going to now print from here. And you need to have actual size. Otherwise, if you do fit, when you do all the settings and you'll see fit, you will not see the entire image in this 84 by 42, and that's the problem. So you need to hit actual size. Okay, and you need to make sure your printer that's selected is the Canon IPF 8400. Let's see what else we need to do. We need to go to properties, and this is telling me what it's coming in as. This is what it's telling me what it's going out as, which is what we need. You choose your paper type over here. Special 10 is the scrim banner. We have high resolution. Oftentimes you guys are printing on high resolution coated bond, so you can choose whatever. Let's see what else. Click here. This does not necessarily default to this. It's not always checked. You want to open preview when the print job starts, because you will see a print preview of what it's about to print. And so often your settings aren't quite right. So always check that. So let's go to page setup. Okay, let's say, this is where you choose what size paper you have. This is where you would choose a custom size. It's already plugged in 42 by 84, so you're good. But if you were making something bigger or larger, this is what you would do that. But right now we're just going to leave it as, because you're printing something from when Deanna has sized it 42 by 84. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK so that you see that print preview. And we've got to make sure I check that. Hit OK. I'm going to hit print, even though we're not going to print it again. I want you to see that the print preview shows exactly what should be printed. I could do a little song and dance for you right now, but I won't. Okay. Oh, I'm so glad this happened. Okay, so no, I'm not glad this happened. That cut it off. Oh, I've got small paper in there right now, and it's reading that. Ha ha ha. Okay, I've got 24-inch paper. But click this. This happened to me earlier where it put 20 inches on each side. I don't want that. Tell it no spaces at the top or bottom. And there you go. The reason it doesn't have it all in there is because it's reading that the paper that I have in now is shorter. It's actually, I'm sorry, I said 30-inch paper, and that's what it's reading it as. And I had to have 42-inch paper in to print this out. So that's where you would see that. And if I printed it out right now, this is exactly what it would look like with this part cut off, because you will see what's going to be printed. So I just wanted you to see what all that looks like. Let me know if you have any questions.